finding the right financial instrument provider. Are you in need of LC, SBLC, or bank guarantee to conclude your trade deals or contracts? How do you know if your bank instrument provider is real or not? While searching for bank instruments provider, then make sure to choose genuine and trusted trade finance provider with decades of experience like Bronze Wing Trading in Dubai. By having 3 decades of experience in trade finance industry, we can assist you by providing the right financial instrument at zero collateral, which gives you peace of mind that your deal will be concluded on time without any issues. Unlike banks, we will not ask for 100% cash margin or collateral to get the required bank instrument issued on behalf of your company. We are the direct providers of LC, SBLC, and BG, who extends our own bank facilities available in European banks on behalf of importers, exporters, manufacturers, and contractors. To know more about us, kindly visit the link given in the description box. You can also contact us via email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.